What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I'm so excited to be back. You guys have no idea. One thing I definitely want to make note of before we get started is there's a lot of construction happening around my area and in my building at the moment. So I'm going to try to speak as clearly into the microphone so you can hear exactly what I'm saying. This video, I'm actually going to do pretty much my skincare prep, how I like to, I guess my morning skincare routine. Let's just say that. And this is the routine, pretty much what I do on a daily basis, but this is what I try to make sure that I stick to, especially if I am going to be wearing makeup for the day. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face. I am going to be using the Drunk Elephant Beste No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. It's a purifying and dissolving cleanser. So I haven't been using my Clarisonic as much. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing the 60-second rule for the most part. I take my cleanser into my hand, emulsify that, and then begin working that onto the skin. So I do mine dry initially, like applying it onto a dry face, and then I will add water from there. Alright, so we are nice and clean. My face feels really good. It feels really soft, not tight at all. Now I'm going to go in with my Pixi Glow Tonic. This is my favorite toner at the moment. It is an exfoliating and brightening toner. So I'm just going to take one pump of that onto a cotton pad and just swipe that onto my face. And I kid you not, that 60-second rule really does work. I really like how my face feels after. So now I'm gonna go in with my Olay Skin Mist. I am using the Ultimate Hydration Essence with vitamin C and bergamot. This is the Energizing Essence. And I'm just going to mist this all over my face. I really like this one because it has vitamin C and bergamot, and it's a great way to just wake up the skin and give it an extra boost in the morning. Now for eye cream, I am going to use my favorite. It's the Olay Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This one has vitamin C and is collagen boosted. I always use my ring finger because the ring finger has the most delicate pressure. Just so they're about even. And then I apply under eye. I focus a majority of the product under eye, but then I bring it to the outside. I do my lids as well, and around my crease area, and sometimes up into the brow area if I find necessary. So you want to be very light and gentle when doing this. And when I find that I've rubbed most of it in, I begin patting the rest into the skin. Now I'm going to begin applying my serums. The first one is going to be the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. It's a brightening and smoothing serum. I really love this one. It's a newer product from Glow Recipe, and I've been using the hell out of this. So I could just apply it here as well, a little on the forehead and my nose. And then I just rub that into the skin. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This has vitamin C and is a great way to brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vital skin bounce in a flash. So I just take 2 pumps of this, and this one is more creamy in terms of being like a serum for the most part, I guess. Chloe. and I just apply that all over the face. Next up, for moisturizer, I'm going to use the Olay Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is definitely one of my favorite moisturizers. This has 3 sources of vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract. And I usually just dip my finger in, but I use like my knuckle to get it out. Only because I really don't want to get product stuck under my nails. So I use about that much moisturizer. And I just really love the way my skin feels after using this moisturizer. And the fact that it has vitamin C in it is a plus. Our last step is SPF. I can't stress this enough, how important SPF is. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Clear Face. This is a breakout free liquid lotion sunscreen with a broad spectrum SPF of 30. So broad spectrum is something that you definitely want to look for when you are looking for an SPF, especially for your face or your body, because it's going to protect you against UVA and UVB rays. So I take my SPF, and you definitely want to bring this down to your neck. And your chest as well. I really hope that you all enjoyed my morning skincare routine. Like I said, this is my normal routine that I tend to stick to, but this definitely works, especially if I am going to be wearing any makeup. My skin is nice and hydrated, it's soft, it's glowy, of course, and it's nice and protected with our SPF. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.